Hi kids, today you're going to publish your writing and I just want to make a quick screencast to show you how to do some of the things you're asked to do using Google Docs. If you already know how to do all of these things, you're welcome to watch it just to review or go ahead and do it. Number 1 told you to add a title at the top, centered, size 20. You can see where your title would go. To center it, you're going to highlight it and click on this that says Center Align. To change the size, you're going to go here to Font Size and choose 20. I don't see 20, so I'm going to type 20 in and hit Enter. Next, it says to add your name under the title, Centered Size 16. I'm going to highlight my name, center it, choose 16 or type 16. Make sure everything is the same font. To do that, you can highlight the entire thing, everything you've written on Google Doc, and choose a font. You are welcome to choose any font you like as long as your story is legible, which means that I can read it clearly. I would recommend you choose something that does not look very swirly or too fancy. This would be more difficult for someone to read over this. Choose the font you want. The text should be 12 or 14 in size. The text is your story. Highlight your story and choose 12 or 14. The last direction says to choose 1.5 to 2.0 spacing. Again, you'll highlight the story and your spacing is right here where it says line spacing with an arrow that looks like it's going up and down. 1.5 is right here, and double would mean the same as 2.0. Try to see if you can make your story stay on one page. If your story is too long to stay on one page because you have changed the spacing to 1.5 or 2, it's okay. I want to show you down here, when you have a blue line in your Google Doc, that means you have a mistake with your grammar or your punctuation or your spelling. If you will click on it, you will see your correction. You're welcome to use that to change and edit your writing at the end. One last thing that you should always do when you are typing in a Google Doc. Make sure that when you type a sentence, you only add one space before you start another sentence. Also, hit enter only at the end of a line. I was not at the end of the line yet, so I'm going to go back. The only time you hit enter when you're not at the end of the line is if you are starting another paragraph in your story. Okay, I can't wait to read all your stories.